How to hide last seen on IMO. Want to hide your last seen status? This guide shows you how to hide last seen on IMO so you can keep your privacy. First, open the IMO app and tap on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. This will open the side menu where you will find your profile and now the settings. Scroll down the menu and find settings and tap on it. In the settings menu, tap on account and security. This section has all the options for your account like changing a password, adding a new account, and more. Look for the privacy option and tap on it. You'll see a few options like who can see your profile picture, who can see your last seen time, and more. On the privacy menu, you'll see the last seen option. Tap on it and you'll get a few options like everyone, my contacts, and nobody. Select nobody to hide your last seen status from everyone. You can also select my contacts to show if you're last seen to reply your contacts. You now know how to hide your last seen status. Get ready to keep your privacy. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.